Hey, good afternoon, folks. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and this is the Clay Way. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing my videos, sending me them big old thumbs up, and your very nice comments. I greatly appreciate it. If you got a question for me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair, and I'll certainly try to answer them under the Facebook Messenger. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a flathead screwdriver, you can pop it in there, and start to pull back our trim panel. Then the rest of it, you can just pull it up just a little bit at a time. And then that will allow us access to our electrical connectors. On the newer versions of this, it has a couple more. But on this one, you're going to simply depress these. For those of us out there that don't know what this is called a cam lock. This will slide over once we push down on the center of here and push in the tab. I can't do it with one hand. Once that's depressed down, then we're able to slide that up, and then that removes that connector. For our cigarette lighter, we've got to push down on this. Generally, when you push down on this, you need to push against. So we pushed it forward, then we removed it. To remove this electrical connector, we're going to pry down on this tab right there and then pull it away. Then to remove this electrical connector, we're going to simply push down on this and then pull it backwards. Then to remove our radio assembly, we're going to take out 4 7mm screws. Once we have our 4 screws out, we should be able to move our radio out. We're going to have to reach behind and unplug our electrical connectors. We got one little clip there, and then we have one right there that we need to push down and remove, and then we're going to remove our antenna. Our antenna simply unplugs on this model, but on the later model, it has a little black clip on it. On the later model versions of these Fords, they have a black clip on there, and you pull the whole black clip out of the antenna. You do not try to separate the black clip from the antenna itself. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the C-roll down at the bottom. You'll consider subscribing. Remember, don't be the next to them, be the first to you, and if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. God bless. Have a great day. Thank you so much for viewing.